So my phone just did something really weird in the middle of filming. Yeah, we're gonna start that over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining, my name is Melaninbanc. Hi. It's been a while since I've actually done a full-on sit-down video on YouTube, but I'm really excited about this to get back into the swing of YouTube, actually posting videos every week, and you will be my accountability partner for this. But I really want to post videos every week for you guys, going from travel to beauty. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I did do a poll on asking what do you guys want to see, and a lot of you guys said a lot of travel vlogs, which I'm super excited about because we have a lot of travel coming up. But outside of that, of course, I do also just love doing makeup, so of course you guys are still gonna get that makeup content as well. I have already done like my basic skincare, so now I'm just gonna kind of go into the makeup look. Let's do it, you guys. So I'm gonna start with sunscreen. Of course, can't forget that step of your skincare slash makeup process. Today I'm using the Eyeshadow clear sunscreen. It reminds me of the Super Goop on Scene, where it just like goes on super clear and it's just brilliant. This is one of my favorite sunscreens to use. And then after do sunscreen, I'm gonna go in with a little glow water. This is a Fresh Beauty Vitamin Nectar Glow Water. This is just a little mist. It's like a glow mist, and just leaves the skin feeling very refreshed, very hydrated, and obviously a little glow on there as well, which I love. Just go with a little LA Pro Girl concealer and just take that under my eyes and any other blemish. So I'm just taking that LA Pro Girl concealer under my eyes. You can clearly see like any dark circles or any kind of darkness or blemishes I have are now gone. So now I'm gonna move in with my foundation, and my foundation for today is the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. This is their liquid foundation. The original Full Filter foundation is actually stick and has been my favorite to use actually. So for concealer, I'm actually using a new concealer as well. This is the Hydro Clear concealer from Tarte. This is their mini version, which I picked up at Sephora. Here's their medium shade. We're just gonna see how she works out. This concealer is very light. It almost kind of feels like a BB cream situation, where it blends really well, and it's really light. Like, it's just so lightweight that it really does feel like it's like a BB cream. I'm not sure if I'm liking the coverage. This is like little to no coverage, although I really don't need that much coverage, but in person, like on camera, it looks great. It looks flawless. In person, it does look good, but I'm not getting the highlight factor. It's concealing, but it's almost kind of just like blending, like it's too close to my skin tone, but it's not, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a really, like, I don't even know how to make it make sense. It's not giving me that like brightening under eye highlighter that I need in my concealer, in a brightening concealer. So instead, I'm gonna use another new one. This one is from NARS. This is their Radiant Creamy Concealer which, and then this is also their mini as well. Yeah, I just went to Sephora and bought a lot of mini stuff because I really wanted to test out concealers, especially. I feel like that's one thing that I don't really explore so much, and I always hear such great things about NARS concealer, so we are trying it. And oh my god, I love the result of that. Like, I'm not sure if it's just like the blend of both the NARS and the Tarte concealers, but I'm just really liking how it's blending right now. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Eyeshadow loose setting powder. This is their translucent loose setting powder in the color Radiant. Of course, I'm gonna start with like where I placed the concealer earlier, but you know, eventually just like taking the powder all over my face. So my face is all mattified now, and I am gonna actually use Essence Makeup loose setting powder, another setting powder, and this is a dark shade for me. This is my contour shade. I always start on the outer edge and I work my way in. And that's what I love about like bronzing and contouring. It definitely gives your face dimension. Okay, now we're gonna move into the eyes. Today we're actually just gonna be using the Tarte Tartelette palette. This is one of my favorite palettes to use, has been for a couple of years actually. It's just a really great neutral palette, to be honest. It's perfect for an everyday palette, as well as to add a little shimmer, a little shine, or a little glamour to your look. So we're gonna go in with this neutral brown. So I'm kind of just taking that all across the top of my lid. I'm gonna go in with the darker brown. I'm gonna take that into the crease, directly into the crease. So if you can see the difference already, I'm just dabbing this shadow just on the outer corner of my eye, literally just dabbing it on the outer corner of my eye. And it's immediately made a whole difference from looking on my face straight forward. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys also have hooded eyes, and what do you do to prevent that? I mean, not prevent it, but what do you do to combat hooded eyes? And now I'm gonna go in with Becca Concealer. This is the Ultimate Coverage Concealer. So, story time. I went to TJ Maxx and I was like, oh my god, the Becca Concealer, like I've never tried their concealer before, and you guys know I was like in the market for concealers, so I was immediately like, let's just try it. And I saw the box, right? Look at the shade on the box and look at the shade in the bottle. I want my money back. So that's what we gonna do. It's now my eyeshadow base, which is great. So I'm just taking that concealer, the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna make a little triangle. That needs to be filled in, right? So I'll go in and refill that in, but I will go over that with this light brown. I'm literally just taking that like white shadow and dabbing that on the concealer. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna fix it up. Don't even worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
And we're gonna take that initial brown to blend it in. So this one. So we're using that to transition. I love it. I actually really do love it. Like, see, this is why I love the Tartelette palette. Like, it is just so easy to work with. There's so many shades that you can mix and blend together. But now we're really about to make this springtime. So I grabbed my NYX palette. I'm gonna go in with this mustard orange. You can't really see it on camera, but you can definitely see it in person. And in my mirror right now, this shit is popping. So now I'm just taking my brush, the same concealer that I was using before, and this is a pointy brush. Just using the concealer to do a wing liner. And then we're gonna take that same yellow that we used in our inner corner and go over the concealer. I kind of love how it came out. I love how subtle it is. It's just kind of like that hint of color, that hint of spring. So it's like the perfect time because March, you know, it's not really springtime in New York, at least. So I think it's very on brand. Okay, lashes are on. Not very well, but they are on. While that's, you know, drying and doing all this sorts, I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is the Tarte Blush Authority, which gives you 3 different blushes all in one. So I'm gonna go in with this bright pink, which is Playtime. Of course, you wanna dab off any excess on the brush. Just taking that right along my cheeks. Now I'm gonna go in with some Tarte mascara. This is their Lights Camera Lashes mascara. So mascara is one really great to blend your real lashes with the fake lashes, of course. But also, I love it for shaping the lashes on my eyes. So that's all done. Now I'm gonna go into my lip combo. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 3 Intense Lip Pencil. And I take that around the edges of my lips, just lining them up. Of course, I never go around the full edge. I just do the middle and corners of my bottom lip. Then go in with the Maracuja Juicy Lip. This is Tarte. This is by Tarte. This is their Juicy Lip Gloss. This has been one of my favorite discoveries from Tarte. It really comes off as lip gloss. When it's pumped up like this, it looks like lipstick. They are tinted. This is Hibiscus. This will be like my natural nude shade. This is just another one of those products where a little really goes a long way. I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter, and this is the Huda Beauty All Over Highlighting Powder from their Nymph collection. And this is one of my favorite highlighters. I've been using this forever. I feel like since they came out with it, I've been using it. And I'm just like obsessed. They always get the highlighter right. Always. All their highlighters are such bang, and like you can trust it. And we're gonna just finish off with a little more of the glow spray. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Click that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. It only takes 2 minutes, if even, not 5 seconds. One thing I will start to do is feature the top comment or the best comment that from my comment section. I will feature in my next video. So make sure to drop a comment in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts, and if it's funny, if it's something that I like, if it's inspirational, I'll feature it in my next video and obviously tag and mention you. Don't forget to subscribe. Besides that, I will see you in my next video. Bye.